Bonjour, I'm Angela, a modern languages teacher and owner of Lively Languages. Today we're going to look at the verb faire, to do or make in the passé composé. What is the passé composé? It's a past tense, and in English, faire can be translated as has or have done, or made, or did. Why are we looking at this verb? Because it's one of the verbs you can't avoid using, and it doesn't always translate as do or make. Firstly, let's remind ourselves of the pronouns in French. I is je, you is tu, he is il, she is elle, and then the plural of I is we, so we've got nous. The plural of you is you all, so vous, and this is also the formal you. And the plural of he or she is they, il or elle if the group is all female. Now, faire has an irregular past participle. Here it is. And we need to put the pronoun and auxiliary verb avoir in front of this. So we get j'ai fait, tu as fait, il a fait, elle a fait, nous avons fait, vous avez fait, ils ont fait, elles ont fait if the group is all female. Let's remember that these can all translate as X has or have done or made, or X did or made. So, not only is this a very common verb, but sometimes it doesn't translate as do or make. Here are some common examples. Number 1. Il a fait chaud means the weather was hot. Numéro 2. J'ai fait très attention means I was very careful. Numéro 3. Nous avons fait du ski means we went skiing. Numéro 4. Elle a fait la grasse matinée means she had a lion. Numéro 5. J'ai fait une bêtise means I've done something silly. So, in short, faire is an irregular verb with many different meanings. Why not add a sentence using faire in the passé composé in the comments? That would be fantastique. Or if you have a question, pop that in the comments too and I'll reply. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video. You can also follow us on Facebook or find out more about our conversation groups here. All that remains for me to say is merci et au revoir. Thanks for watching.